In this video, I'm going to show you how to use content-aware scale in Photoshop to achieve this effect. We'll start off by preparing the photo for editing. You can download this shot in the description of this video if you want to follow through. In the contextual taskbar, I'll select the subjects, then refine the selection a little using the quick selection tool. For this video, I'll work destructively, just to quickly show you the effect. So I'll make a new layer with the selection using Command+J. Then I'll use the lasso tool to cut and paste the subject on the right. Now go to Edit, then select Content-Aware Scale. When we resize the photo, we can see that the important visual content stays pretty much the same. I'll do the same for the girl in the middle, use the pen tool to select her, cut and paste, then Edit and Content-Aware Scale. For the third one, when I apply this effect, it kind of distorts the head, even when I change the amount here at the top. So I'll have to separate the body and the head in two layers and then apply the effect to both of them. Hide some of the imperfections and we're good. Let's group these three and show the background. In the original photo, I'll select the people and then hide them using generative fill. I like the first generation the most. Let's show the layer with the models as well. Crop the photo and add a subtle shadow. You can continue making adjustments to the light and shadows to blend it even further. If you want to learn more, don't miss the video on the screen that YouTube is recommending just for you. Thank you and see you next time.
This is Creative Society.